What up, YouTube? So, it's been a while. Sorry, I haven't posted anything at all, even though I got some videos. But, the car is down. I believe the starter blew up. And I just finished taking up the side skirts. They're right here. And let's see if I can get this thing down. I can jack it up, but that thing is going to break. It's going to snap in half compared to the other side. I had the car towed in. There's the other one. So my goal is try to fix this because the whole front bumper right now is zip tied. Don't worry, I already have those little pieces. This light blue, well, that right here blue, the high beams. That blue. Yeah, it's back from my trip from Utah. So let's see. Looking good though, kind of. What's up, guys? It's the next day, and as you see, I took out the front bumper. We're gonna be fixing the front bumper, fixing the tail lights, getting new tires all the way around. They're bold, all of them. I couldn't take the starter out; it was too stuck, the bolt. So I'm gonna get some help taking that out. It's literally right behind the engine, right here. I don't know why the Lexus did that. Pretty dumb. I'm gonna take you over here. That's the headers. Don't mind that. I'll tell you about that later. So, front bumper right here is cracked. This is all fiberglass. We're gonna get it to the shop. Right here, it's cracked. Here, cracked. This one almost cracked. That's cracked. What else? Sensor broke right here. It's cracked. And this one also cracked right here. And right here, there's some damage. Like you see, this one's broken. No, my bad. That one's the fixed one. Here's the broken one. It's still on the car. And we're gonna do all the electrical stuff. Let me move the weight out of the box. See that? And these are the headers. Check them out. Pretty nice. And I'm gonna be wrapping them with this exhaust heat wrap, and I got the starter wrap right here. So I'll be back with you when it's all done. What's up, guys? So I just finished taking out the lights of the Lexus. They're gonna be over here. I'll show you right now. They're gonna be getting redone, all sanded again. This one's the one that's broken. Some wiring, electrical wires broke. And this is the one that the high beam doesn't work. And it's a couple other things. So they're going to be redone, sanded, recoated for the Lex. The bash bar is going to be getting painted black, I think either tomorrow or Monday. Not sure. Still waiting for the tires. All new tires all around. And yeah, I'll let you know how it goes. Well, back at it again. The headlights are done. I can see, look how clear they look. I believe this one might be still damaged, but we'll have to see later on. But overall, it looks pretty nice. Very reflective. We just sanded him with, I think, 1,000 grit, wet, and put some clear coat, and it came perfect. Alright, I just finished replacing the LED lights in there. Take a look. They were $7 for 4 on both sides. And I just finished replacing this light bulb with a D4S HID halogen. So, cause I had them blue, but one blew up. So yeah. Alright, boys. So I just finished taking off all the rims and tires off the whole Lexus. There you go. And I got the new tires right here. So, strange thing. This is 275 by 35, 19, and the ones in the back I have are 275 30s, and the fronts in this one were 245 35s, 19. So we're gonna have a bit more. I don't know if it's gonna rub more meat in the top. I hope it doesn't rub. But yeah, the new tires are over here. They're all on wires. I'll show you right here. It's a good example right here. Damn. So you know I abuse it. So yeah. Overall, car looking pretty good. We're almost done with everything. Just have to fix up the light, and that's pretty much it. And front bumper goes on. That's pretty good. All right, we're gonna load up the tires on the Expedition and go to Midas, my tire plug.